Simply Stated 2024 Advent Calendar. Let's get into it. Ooh, it's another little package. I love a little package. It usually means beautiful ephemera. Let's check it out. And yes, beautiful ephemera. Wow. Oh my gosh. Those deer are adorable. Oh, look at the teddy bears. Oh, they are darling. I'm gonna go this way. They are darling. Wow. Okay, then we have some sweet snowmen. And they are so wonderful. Colors and sizes for everything you can imagine. I am so in love with the ephemera from this year. Wow-wee. All right, let me get those guys out of there. Look at this. Trains. Oh my God. They're just so great. I have so many pictures of our CP holiday train. I know what I'm scrapbooking with those. Another deer. I absolutely love this deer. He just gives me the Bambi feels. Oh, and some amazing snow globes. I absolutely love them. Right off the bat, I know what I want to do. I am going to cover these with glossy accents and let them dry so that when I want to make a card or a scrapbook page, they're already glossy, just like a real snow globe. Wow, that is just an incredible day. So happy with all of these. Okay, everyone, that's it for today. We will see you back here tomorrow to open up, let's see, day 20 tomorrow. Day 20. Okay, I hope you enjoyed day 19. Go check out Simply Stated. You won't be disappointed. La 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 la.